And we're back to learning CapCut, and here day 110 there's an inbuilt face retouching option. Let me copy the original here. So it's the same clip. I go to the one on top and then I go to video retouch. The first option should be face auto styles. I used the free version for these tutorials, and currently in the free version you can use that 2 times. So if you want to use it long term, you have to bite the bullet and pay for the pro CapCut version. But when you do, it's actually easy to use. Simply check the box right here, and then you've got these presets to choose from. Most of them only have an intensity slider, and this can change the facial features. But for example, the last one right here, the soda blue, it has more than just this intensity feature. Retouch and reshape work the same way on the face, but the filter here is the important one. So this is a complete overlay effect, even for the background. Once again, if you set that up in a specific way and you have clips that are very similar that you do every day, maybe like a podcast or something, then you need the Pro feature to apply the same values, the same filter to each of your videos. Keep that in mind when you use one of them. But maybe you just make 1 or 2 videos a month, then why not explore this right here? Very easy to use, kind of like an overlay, and it can actually also change the facial features, eyes, the chin. All of that can be adjusted here very easily, and you can see the effect applied in real time. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.